Hi, this is Zach and welcome to my channel. Our video for today, how to enable your ads at one time in your YouTube channel. Log in your YouTube channel at any browser and go to Creator Studio and Monetization. Zoom in to your mobile phone in the desktop mode, and on the upper part you will find a short notification. And written here, congratulations, you have been accepted in the YouTube Partner Program. You can now monetize your videos and access support. And beside it, you may click the Monetize Videos. And in these settings, don't forget to click the Monetize All Videos now. At this process, it will help you to have an ads of all your videos. By clicking this, you don't need to go each of your video to enable the ads. And make sure you have checked all the boxes for the ad preferences on your future uploads. Overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. And if you are done, you may click to apply preferences. At this moment, it will take a little time to update all your videos to have an ads. Congratulations! Now all your videos will be having ads. All your videos are now updated. And if you haven't found any $sign or green $sign for your monetization section, you may refresh your phone. By doing it so, you'll find out later that all your videos will have a $sign on monetization section. See, very easy to apply all the ads in one time. Again, congratulations to your channel, more viewers and subscribers to come, and thank you for watching.